Guys, this solar outdoor street light is not functioning, so here's the trick how you can fix it. So I tried it. As you can see, this is the previous one that I did before, and this is how it works. As you know how it functions when the charge goes into the system, the light is flashing. And this one here I tried, but nothing seemed to promise. Tried using its button to power it on and the remote control, but nothing was showing. So I tried a lot of time, but nothing. And I tried this remote control on another light, but it was doing well. So now I have to open the back cover so that I can get into the system, check what is going on. So this trick is simple. You don't have to buy anything. All you just need to do is to follow the steps that I just did here, and you're going to see it working. So just watch the video, guys. This is more interesting and it's going to help you out. You're just going to fix this one, zero cost, nothing that you're going to buy, just a simple thing. Just watch. I've exposed everything. So you see these two cables are from the solar side. So these other two, there's a from the battery. So I'm going to check where to go and see those. There are some other two. These ones are from the solar, right? And yeah, I'm going to put them aside, blue and red. And then there's those other ones, black and red for the battery, and another one blue and red again that goes into the light. So just you have to get two short cables that you can cut anywhere, and use a 3 to 5 volts charger that you can get from hair trimmers, hair cordless trimmers, and use this trick. As you can see here, insert two of this inside the holes. Do not shove it in, because after then, if you're going to use the charger, it might enlarge the holes and not able to fit again when you're trying to charge. So here's the charger, guys. It's my 3 volts DC output. So this is how it's supposed to look. It's supposed to stay contact and secure it with masking tape. Yeah, here it is. So I'm going to directly connect, or coil this one onto those what do we call, onto those wires that comes from the solar side. As you can see, I'm testing the solar supplies a tiny millivoltage. It's because it is inside the room, but for the solar itself, whenever it faces the light, or there will be cloudy or something, it has to charge, brings a little bit charge. As you can see, 12 millivoltage. The battery itself is completely drained. There's nothing that shows. So I'm going to plug this one in, show what we're going to get afterwards. So I'm going to remove some of the wires and choose thinner ones in order to make it easy for me to join these ones to the system. I'm not going to use a solder, because this is just something I'm going to remove. I'm going to just use it right now, and later on I'm going to remove it. So the important thing is to make sure that this thing is charging. So This is it. Let's see if this one is supplying power. As you can see here, this is what we get. So don't worry about big numbers because the multimeter itself is selected to millivoltage setting. So here it is. This is the right one. So going to get my positive. So the important thing is to know the polarity that comes from your charger, which one is the positive, which one the negative. So I got my positive here, so hooked it in, and just because I don't want this cable to short, I just scratched this negative a little bit so that I can connect it far away from the other one to avoid short circuit. So let's see if this light is, this system is charging. So yeah, let's power this one on. As you can see, now there is power coming in. So we're going to stay for a couple of minutes or maybe an hour, checking what is going to happen. If this battery is still alive, it is going to hold a charge. So by removing a charger, it's supposed to charge if the solar is functioning, or the light where there is no power coming into the system, the light should turn itself on automatically. So here's what I did, guys. There's nothing fake here. As you can see, the wires are going into the system smoothly and everything has been tested. So after some couple of minutes, so here it is. Just have to wait for the charger to drain all the energy that was stored into the capacitors. So when it doesn't feel any charge coming into the system, it's supposed to light, and putting it back to charge. When it feels that the charge is coming, it's supposed to turn itself off again. So yeah, going to leave this light overnight. So it was about maybe more than 16 hours since I did this, and came back and just want to see if this battery was fully charged. So the thing I'm gonna do is I have to check if the solar itself is able to charge the light on its own. So I'm flipping it like this. You can see when the charger goes into the light, it's supposed to turn itself off. Put the light, the solar on under the on the table, covering it. There was no power. It lights. Repeating again, as you can see. So this is how to fix this light, guys. So if this video is important, please subscribe and like the algorithm to push my content. So I just need to put this masking tape on that cable that I scratched, now to avoid that. So we're putting everything back together. So if this thing was so simple for you, and if you tried the trick and it seemed to work, come back and comment down on the comment section below. So now, as you can see, the light is, its life is promising. So let me close everything back, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. So I'm asking you guys to try this trick. If you get this one right, come down on the comment section below, make it a right comment, and going to pin it so that anyone who has this problem might have a trust on this one once they try it. My aim is to see you guys getting your light back to life. Thanks again for watching.